Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gifts for 8-year-old girls is probably one of the most sought-after gift guides for parents and loved ones, as choosing the right present for an 8-year-old girl can be tricky. They're developing their own unique personalities and interests, making it crucial to find something that truly resonates with them. This video will help you navigate through the best-selling options, ensuring you find the perfect gift that sparks joy and creates lasting memories. Number 5. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this amazing art kit. It's packed with everything you need to start tracing and drawing. You'll find a light-up tracing pad, colorful pencils, tracing sheets, blank sheets, and even a graphite pencil. Everything is included for hours of fun. With over 100 traceable images available online and in the included sheets, you'll never run out of inspiration. Find your favorite and start creating. The built-in LED light makes tracing super easy. It illuminates your images perfectly, so you can see every detail. It's lightweight, easy to use, and has a no-slip frame. The perfect creative canvas for young artists. It's perfect for homeschooling or just for fun. It enhances creativity and learning through art, exploring styles like animation and lettering. Give the gift of creativity this holiday season or birthday. It's a gift that keeps on giving. What we like. If you are looking for a fun and educational toy that sparks creativity, this light-up tracing pad is perfect. It's great for kids who enjoy art and tracing, helping them develop their skills. If your child loves to draw and learn through creative play, this is the ideal gift for them. What people say. Quality good for hand-eye coordination, hours of fun. The pad is used by all the younger children, our teenage artist, and I have used it myself for fabric patterns. The paper locks in so it cannot slide around. The light emitted is quite bright, and expensive tracing paper is really not needed. We have used plain copy paper after the tracing paper that came with the pad was used up, and it worked so well there was no need to use anything else. It keeps my kid busy for a long time and then there is no mess to clean up. It does not come with batteries, so just make sure you have 3 AA batteries for it. Number 4. Original Stationery Slime Kit. Looking for a fun and creative activity for kids? This DIY slime kit provides hours of entertainment, letting them make butter, cloud, and foam slimes. It's a great way to spark their imagination and keep them engaged. This kit includes everything you need to create amazing slimes. With 31 fun pieces, it's perfect for kids aged 7 and up. Get ready for an immersive and exciting crafting experience. This isn't just slime, it's a chance to get creative. Kids can squish, shape, and decorate their slime creations with sprinkles, making adorable ice cream-themed designs. The possibilities are endless. Make slime crafting a delightful experience. This kit lets you create tantalizing slimes in your favorite ice cream colors and scents. It's a fun and relaxing activity that's sure to be a hit. This kit makes slime making simple and enjoyable. With easy-to-follow instructions, even young crafters can create amazing slimes. It's the perfect blend of creativity and fun for kids aged 7 to 12. What we like. If your child loves slime and enjoys hands-on activities, this ice cream slime kit is a fantastic choice. It provides hours of screen-free fun and allows them to create their own unique slime creations. If you're looking for a gift that encourages creativity and sensory exploration, this kit is perfect. What people say. The ice cream slime kit is an absolute hit. It's packed with everything needed to create butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slimes, all with an adorable ice cream theme. The instructions are easy to follow, and the variety of colors, textures, and scents make it an incredibly fun and creative activity. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime, butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. Each type of slime has its own texture and feel, making it fun for kids to experiment and see the different results. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. The kit comes with everything needed to make the slimes, including colorants, foam beads, and scent options. Number 3. Paint and Plant Flower Kit. Get ready to unleash your creativity with this amazing kit. It's filled with everything you need to paint, plant, and watch beautiful flowers grow. Let your imagination run wild. Personalize your planter with vibrant colors and unique designs. The possibilities are endless. It's time to get your hands dirty. Plant the seeds and watch with wonder as your flowers begin to sprout. Care for your plants and watch them grow into a beautiful, colorful garden. It's a magical experience. This isn't just a fun activity, it's an educational journey. Learn about the life cycle of plants and the wonder of nature. Everything you need is right here: planter, paint, seeds, tools, and easy-to-follow instructions. Let the gardening begin. What we like. If you're searching for a gift that combines creativity and learning, this paint and plant kit is ideal. It allows children to express their artistic skills while learning about gardening and plant life. If you want a fun and educational activity that will keep your child engaged, this is a great option. What people say. She likes plants, flowers, and crafts. She had fun decorating it and planting the seeds. And within a very short time the seeds did sprout, so this was a very successful gift. Perfect for creativity and learning. Came with seeds, soil, labels and watering utensils. Good family project. I would recommend giving this a try. Number 2. National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set. Get ready for 10 amazing science experiments that will blow your mind. You'll learn how to make a coin float, change watercolors, and even make snow appear. It's science magic. Each experiment is designed as a magic trick. With the included wand and gloves, your child will look and feel like a real magician. It's educational fun. It's not just magic, it's real science. The guide explains the science behind each trick, teaching valuable scientific concepts and techniques in a fun way. This kit has all the tools you need for every experiment. No need to search for extra supplies. The fun starts the moment you open the box. We're committed to providing high-quality, educational toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. If your child is fascinated by science and magic, this chemistry set is a must-have. It features amazing experiments that will amaze and educate them. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun and learning, this is the perfect choice. What people say. He played for hours and still has plenty of materials left over for other experiments. The instructions are laid out clearly. The National Geographic Magic Chemistry Set is an absolute gem of a science kit, delivering an enchanting blend of education and entertainment that captivates young minds. With 10 amazing magic tricks included in the set, kids are sure to be amazed and delighted as they learn the science behind each illusion. But it's not just about the tricks. This set also includes STEM projects and science experiments that further enhance children's understanding of scientific principles. The quality of the materials and instructions provided in this set is exceptional. The kit comes with everything needed to perform each experiment and trick, making it easy for kids to dive right in and start exploring. This is a fun hands-on gift. Got it for my 7-year-old son and he absolutely loved it. Definitely needed a little help with learning how to do the things, but it was great family time. We love activity kits and this was a great one. Number 1. Sungemmers Window Art Kits. It's got pre-printed designs, color guides, tons of stickers, tape, and simple instructions. Start creating beautiful window art right away. It helps develop fine motor skills and improves cognitive development. Kids can make vibrant, eye-catching 8x8-inch designs. This kit is super easy to use and there's no messy cleanup. It's perfect for keeping kids entertained while they create dazzling art. It has won many awards, including the 2024 Parents' Picks Award and the 2023 Toy Insider Award. It's a great way to encourage creative and educational play. It comes in a beautiful box, ready for gifting. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Check out our other Sungemmers kits for even more creative options and sizes. There's endless crafting fun for everyone. What we like. If you want a creative and mess-free activity for your child, this Suncatcher kit is perfect. It's easy to use and produces beautiful, sparkly creations. If you're looking for a gift that's both fun and visually appealing, this is a great option. What people say. These are amazing for kids. Great variety. Wasn't sure about this item, but it was fun for us to join in with our granddaughter. Easy and fun. Now she has art hanging in our house. This was a fun project for me and my son to do together. Very colorful and looks great in our window. Would make a great gift for littles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.